Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Remind account and how to add students to your account. The first step is to go ahead and sign up for an account. It's going to ask you to enter your email address, then I'll ask you some more questions about yourself, and then I'll ask you what school you are associated with. Since I already have an account, I'm simply going to log into my account. On the far left panel, you'll see that you have several options. You can join a class, you can create a class, and then it has the school that I'm currently affiliated with. So I am going to create a class. I'm going to title it 6th grade math class, and it automatically generates a code for you. You're able to modify that code. So in this case, I'm simply going to go ahead and use my last name, Miss Edie, and I'm going to put a number behind it just to go ahead and generate that class. It still has Socorro Middle School, and then I'm going to select Create. This is the class that was established. Now there are several options. The first option is the messaging option. This allows me to message my students once I select it. If I select continue, I'll be able to type out a message. And then the cool feature about this is that it also has a scheduling tab. So you're also able to go ahead and select a future date and select a time. Okay. It also gives you the opportunity to upload a file, connected to your OneDrive, also connected to Flipgrid, so on and so forth. So it has a lot of nice features to it. You also have a Files tab. Again, you're able to select a file and send it to your students. It has the People tab. The People tab will have this list of students that have joined your class. It's also going to go ahead and have them based on the different roles. So you have the student tab, parents, teachers. So if you wanted to go ahead and filter it, you could do so once people join your class. The settings will also go ahead and allow you to change the picture. It allows you to modify and change the name if you have to. You can also change the code, the school that it's associated with, and it has several other features. The Class Owners tab also allows you to add another owner, so that would be great for some of your CT teachers. Okay, so at this point, I'm going to go back to the messaging tab and then I'm going to add students. What I did is I populated a list of students from one of our teachers, and this is on an Excel sheet. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this and paste the information over into here. It's very simple. Okay, you can go ahead and go back and select a secondary phone number. You could also go ahead, since we are using parent information, you could go ahead and enter it into the parents tab, or you can simply give us the code and then people could start signing up for your Remind information, since we are doing this due to the circumstances that we currently have right now, and since it helps with remote learning. I'm not going to add people to the account because once I add them, it sends them a notification and then they just have to accept on their end. So this is how it would go ahead and go out. Once they have accepted, then it's going to allow me to be sending them messages back and forth. Sky Coaches are able to go ahead and populate the list of your students. If you just give us the list of students and and ID numbers, we are able to go ahead and just simply give you that list of phone numbers so that you can go ahead and add those students into Remind. Hopefully this helps a little bit. I did also want to show you the account settings tab. So if you look at the account settings tab, it allows you to add a picture of yourself. It allows you to enter your name. You're also able to enter any other organizations that you are a part of. You can also go ahead and notify the preferences. So in this case, it shows you the different ways that I can be notified. It also allows you to have office hours. So for me, when I created my account, I allowed my students to pretty much contact me all day and even on weekends. It's really up to you how you want to modify it. If you want to modify it from Monday to Friday, from 7 to 3:30, whatever your modifications may be, but you're able to go ahead and center those office hours around it. You're also able to connect onto some of these other companies. So I connected OneDrive, but you can also connect to Flipgrid and some of these other items. You also have the messaging history. Okay, it shows you the classes, participants, and then it has all of the classes that you have archived. So in this case, it has all of my classes that are archived, and then it has the blocked users. So you could see the students that have been blocked in the event that you receive something that you're not supposed to receive. I hope that this find helpful. Thank you and have a good day.